Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And I forgot to grab the speaker and the music today, so I will have to do that for the next one, yeah. Anyway, got one from China. It came in a box from exoticnoods.com. That's EXOTICNOODS.com, exoticnoods.com. They have exotic noodles, but, you know, there's nothing nude. You know, but you can get a box from them. And I've got a coupon code. Boom! So you just type in boom at checkout, and you get you have to use less of the money. Anyways, this came in there, and this is pretty rad. This is Master Kong Golden Stock Shrimp Noodles, and this sounds like fantastic. Master Kong is a Chinese company. You go, see? It's like, oops. There you go. Whoa, Nelly. Yeah, so I really need to do something about my tripod and its weak neck. It's got jacked up neck syndrome. So let's add boiling water to the fill line. Whoa! There we go. And got a bunch of gunk on my spoon, so I'm going to get that gunk off of there. And we're going to hang out, you and me, for 3 minutes as it steeps. I'm going to use just a regular lid and slap it right on top. How you like them apples? So, what's going on, everybody? Not much here. Getting closer to Christmas. Sorry about that. My daughter's birthday is on Monday. Way back when today was today. Not your today, but my today. Because that's the only today I really care about at this point. Well, I wouldn't want to do anything horrible that would affect the today that you're experiencing down the line. You're in the future. You're in my future. Anyway. Went on our walk today. Longest walk yet. It was 4.007 kilometers. I just converted because when I tried to tell people how far I walked, all my friends live in Asia. So it's like, I'm just going to convert it. What's the point in talking about miles anymore? But, yeah. 4 kilometers. We were supposed to have a huge windstorm. But it's pretty nasty looking outside. And it looks like the wind is picking up a little bit. So they extended the weather advisory, or the wind advisory, or wind watch. There's wind advisory, wind watch, and wind warning. And there's like winter weather watch. There's the watch, advisory, and warning. So I think one is like, we think it's going to happen. Another is like, oh, it's probably going to happen. And the other one's like, dude, it's going to happen. So, and with all three of those, you know, they either happen or they don't. So, gotta tell you, technology, weather, ugh. Yeah. Tragedy yesterday. So, this is my vape. And it has a battery. This is the battery part, and this is where the liquid is. And it's like crazy. Let me look at this. Let me look at all those numbers and junk. It's like smoking meets Star Trek. It's crazy. But anyways, it has a puff counter. And the puff counter started when I got this thing, like, gosh, I want to say like 6 months ago. It was at like 67,000. I mean, ridiculously high. And my goal, because I've never seen anybody do it, I looked it up on YouTube, and most people said that just like reset at like 60-some thousand. I was like, and that's what mine did. No reason, no rhyme or reason, nothing like that. But it just reset, and I'm bummed. Because I was going to do a YouTube video of it going from 99 $9.99 to whatever. I was thinking it'd be kind of funny. You do that, and then what happens? It just like beeps at you and says, "Yeah, you should cut down a little." That'd be rad. They actually have voice activated ones now, where you can go into settings, like settings. It'll say settings or something. It's like I don't want to talk to my vape. I'm good. They have one with a Bluetooth speaker. Looks like it's rather large. They had one that was a case for an iPhone. I remember seeing that. There's some broth for you. Remember, this is the golden shrimp broth. Very auspicious broth. Famous. It's good. Little pinch of spiciness to it. More like acidic. There's some noodle for you. Flat. Slightly broader than your standard instant. Definitely got a little bit more of a heat on that. And then what's that? It looks like egg. Maybe it's shrimp. It's egg. Kinda. Or it's shrimp. It's shrimp. It's like a little mini shrimp ball. That's not bad. Would I recommend it? Oh yeah. I like Master Kong stuff. It's really good. And it still exists, don't worry. There was a whole big to-do about Master Kong leaving Taiwan. And I guess it just was nowhere near as popular as, what are they called? Uni-President. Uni-President, yeah. I got some mung bean sprouts I'm going to throw in this and give a quick stir to before I go forward. Spoon. Stirring. I'll say one thing. This is a lot of food. Okay, let's move you back a little bit. I don't know how. Let's see. I want you to be able to see, but I don't want you to have to be in the soup. How are we doing there? Yeah, I like that. Perfect. I don't want it to... Okay. And then on this one, it's golden shrimp, so... I would be amiss if I didn't add some shrimp. This one has a little bit of attitude. Do I have another one? I do. Sorry, attitude shrimp. Mmm. Okay. And a good combo for shrimp is pork. So I'm gonna like throw some pork in here too. And yes, this is the barbecue pork that you get at the store. And some mung bean, or no, I just did mung bean sprouts. What am I talking about? Spring onion. A smattering. Do I do the egg? Yes, I do. Just made these eggs. They've had their time to shine, sit on the stove and do their thing. I think right here might be could be right here. Okay, and we need to sizz that. Ooh, nice. There we are. I think that's a day's work right there. That looks lovely. Yeah. Okay. Well, I'm running a little behind schedule today, so I'm going to cut it a little short. So yeah, Exotic Nudes, they've got this stuff, and I liked it. This is quite good. So check it out again, www.exoticnudes.com. Use the coupon code BOOM for a discount, and yeah. All right, well, hey, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day. Have a good one. Bye.